Hi friends, myself Dr. Dhekle, Perfect Electronics MIDCY. We manufacture electrical and electronics experimental boards using double-sided PCB with PTH facility. PTH means plated through hole. We supply the experimental boards with demo video link and chart of the experiments. Today I will explain the experiment named as binary phase shift keying modulator. In these experiments, I will explain chart of the experiment along with the construction, working, and then finally I will show the demo of the experiment. It is useful for the students of physics, electronics, electrical, computer science, and IT. You like and subscribe it. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, you subscribe it and press the bell button to get notification of new videos. So let us see how to do the experiment named as binary phase shift keying modulator. Now we shall see the chart of the experiments. See, title of the experiments is binary phase shift keying modulator. That means BPSK modulator. Aim of the experiment to study the binary phase shift keying modulator. Apparatus required for this experiment is experimental boards, two numbers of 12-volt DC adapters, CRO or DSO, sino signal generator, and stereo signal generator. Two signal generators are required here. Now this is the circuit diagram of binary phase shift keying modulator. See, it consists IC 741, digital IC 016 and IC 7404. Here resistance R1, R2 are used here. Signal generator sino is connected here. Binary input is to be given here. Output is to be connected to the CRO or DSO. Now 5 volt is applied to the digital IC 7404 and 4016, and dual supply of 12 volt and minus 12 volt is applied to the op-amp IC 741. Now see, sino signal of 2.5 volt and with frequency 5 kilohertz is applied at the input here, and stereo signal of 1 kilohertz frequency with height of 5 volt is applied here, and resultant of two signals is produced at the output. We have to see the output on the screen of CRO or DSO. So now we shall see next slide. So this is the waveform of digital data and this is the sino. Now what happens, see, if there is high output means binary 1, then there will be sino perfectly, there is no change in phase. But here what happens, if voltage drops from 5 volt to 0, then there is a change of phase with the sino, or see here, this change occurs at the lower side of the sino. And here see, if voltage increases from 0 to 5 volt, then there is a change in sino. This change occurs at the upper side of the sino. Again see, at this point voltage drops from 5 volt to 0. Again phase change occurs at the lower side of the sino, and this is the waveform of binary phase shift keying modulator. The actual waveform of the experiment is shown here. Now here it is clear that 5 volt signal of 1 kilohertz frequency is applied here, and this is the sino frequency of 5 kilohertz, and this C, if voltage drops from 5 volt to 0, then there is a change in phase of the sine. When again, if voltage increases from 0 to 5 volt, there is a change in phase of the sine occurs here. In this way, it produces the binary phase shift keying. Result C. Phase of the sine changes with the binary input 0 and 1. And this is the procedure is given. We have to do the experiment as per the procedure. And this is the experimental setup for binary phase shift keying modulator. C. It consists of op-amp 741, digital IC 4016 and digital IC 7404, and this 12 volt dual supply is applied by the adapters here, and here series resistance and 5 volt Zener diode is used, and this 5 volt goes to the digital ICs, and dual supply of plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt will go to the op-amp IC 741. So this is the one input. Here we have to apply the sine signal of frequency 5 kilohertz, and it is taken from this function generator. Now this is the another input. Square input is to be applied here, and square input of 5 volt and 1 kilohertz frequency is taken from this signal generator. And here this is the output. This is the output is connected to the CRO. See, this is the waveform of the CRO. Now see, here I am showing here, this is the run and stop button. If I keep it for the run mode, so this is the variation of the signal. Now if you have to take steady picture, here you have to press the buttons, take to the top mode, and here. Now see, this is the output of binary phase shift keying modulator. This is the square pulses of 5 volt amplitude and having the frequency of 1 kilohertz. This is the frequency of 5 kilohertz sine wave. Input voltage of square pulse increases from 0 volt to 5 volt. Then see, there is a phase change on the side wave. Here see, if voltage drops from 5 volt to 0, again here there is a change in phase showing here, and again here voltage increases from 0 to 5 volt, again phase change is shown here. This is the waveform of binary phase shift keying modulator. If any suggestions or doubts, you can write in the comment box.
परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाई आयोजित 6 दिवसांचं प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग.
पात्रता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि कम्प्युटरचे शिक्षण आवश्यक. बीई, डिप्लोमा, बीएससी, एमएससी झालेल्यांसाठी उपयुक्त.
या ट्रेनिंग मध्ये भरपूर प्रॅक्टिकल सह मुलाखतीची तयारी करून घेतली जाते, ज्यामुळे जॉब मिळणं सोपं जातं.
ट्रेनिंगसाठी संपर्क डॉक्टर ढेकळे, परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई, मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.
लेक्चर संपल्याची बेल अगदी वेळेत झाली.
ही किमया आहे परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सच्या ॲटो लेक्चर बेलची. एवढंच नाही तर आता परफेक्टच्या ॲटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअरवर तुम्हाला हव्या असलेल्या वेळेवर दररोज स्वयंचलितपणे राष्ट्रगीत वाजवा.
शाळा कॉलेजसाठी उपयुक्त
संपूर्ण ऑटोमॅटिक परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे ॲटो लेक्चर बेल आणि ॲटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअर.
फ्री डेमो आणि इन्स्टॉलेशन साठी संपर्क परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई, मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.